In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a space in Confluence. Archiving a space is a great way to keep your workspace organized without permanently deleting any information. It's especially useful when a project has finished, or a team is no longer actively using a particular space, but you still want to keep the content for reference later. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open Confluence and navigate to the space you want to archive. Make sure you really are in the correct space, because these changes will affect all the pages inside it. It helps to quickly scan the space name and overview to confirm you're in the right place, especially if your organization has many similarly named spaces. Once you're in the correct space, look towards the top right area of the screen for the More Actions button, often represented by 3 dots. This menu is where Confluence keeps additional options that don't fit in the main toolbar. Go ahead and click those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll see several options related to managing or configuring the space. Find and select the option labeled Archive Space. If you don't see it, you may not have the required permissions, so you might need to reach out to a site or space admin. But assuming you do see it, click Archive Space to begin the archiving process. After you click that, Confluence will usually take you to a confirmation screen or settings page specifically for archiving the space. This step exists to make sure you don't archive something by accident. Here, you'll again see an option labeled Archive Space. This is a sort of pre-confirmation. Review the details on the page, and when you're confident you've selected the correct space, click Archive Space once more. Finally, a confirmation dialog will appear, typically with a button simply labeled Archive. This is your last chance to double check. Remember, archiving doesn't delete your content, but it does move it out of active use and can affect who sees it and how it's accessed. When you're ready,